Welcome to our latest episode, which will take you into the extraordinary world of aromatherapy and discover the power of essential oils in the context of spiritual development. In this video, you will learn how natural oils can support your spiritual practice, helping to achieve harmony of body, mind and spirit. We will start with the basics: what essential oils are, how they are extracted and what properties they have. Then we will look at different oils, such as lavender, sandalwood and pink grapefruit, discovering their unique effects and applications in meditation, relaxation and daily life. We will also share practical tips on how to introduce essential oils into your spiritual rituals, as well as how to use them in aromatherapy to support emotional and spiritual healing. We encourage you to explore together and discover how essential oils can be the key to a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with new episodes dedicated to spiritual development and healthy lifestyle. See you in the next videos. Essential oils are concentrated chemical substances that are extracted from various parts of plants, such as leaves, flowers, roots, bark, seeds, and fruits. They are characterized by an intense scent and a variety of properties, which is why they are widely used in aromatherapy, cosmetics, personal care products, as well as in the food and pharmaceutical industries. Extraction of essential oils. Essential oils can be extracted by various methods, including 1. Steam distillation. This is the most common method, which involves heating the plant material in the presence of steam, which causes the essential oils to evaporate. The steam is then cooled, and the essential oil is collected. 2. Solvent extraction. In this method, plants are treated with chemical compounds, solvents, or that extract the essential oils. In addition, methods that use high-pressure carbon dioxide, CO2 extraction, are also used. 3. Cold pressing. This method is mainly used to extract oils from citrus fruits, where the peel of the fruit is mechanically pressed to extract the oil. Properties of essential oils. Essential oils have many properties that can vary depending on the type of plant they come from. Here are some of the most commonly mentioned properties. 1. Aromatherapy. Essential oils are often used in aromatherapy to improve mental well-being, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. 2. Antiseptic. Many essential oils, e.g. tea tree oil, eucalyptus, have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them effective in health applications. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Oils such as lavender and chamomile can help reduce inflammation. 4. Relaxing and calming. Some oils, such as lavender oil, are known for their calming effects and can be used to treat insomnia. 5. Cosmetic. Essential oils are often used in cosmetics for their moisturizing, rejuvenating, and skin regenerating properties. Safety. Although essential oils are natural, they should be used with caution because they are very concentrated and can cause allergic reactions or skin irritations. It is important to conduct a tolerance test before using them, and in some cases it is recommended to dilute them in a carrier oil. Some oils are also contraindicated for pregnant women. It is always a good idea to seek advice from a specialist before using essential oils for health or therapeutic purposes. Essential oils are playing an increasingly important role in meditation and relaxation practices, and each has its own unique properties and uses. So let's take a look at 3 of them: lavender oil, sandalwood oil, and pink grapefruit oil. Lavender oil. Action. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils, known for its calming properties. It has a relaxing effect on the nervous system, making it ideal for reducing stress and anxiety. Use in meditation. It can be used as an addition to meditation rituals to help achieve a state of deep relaxation and support mindfulness meditation. Just a few drops on a pillow, meditation rug, or in a diffuser are enough. Everyday life. It can also be used in aromatherapy at home, added to a bath or used in aroma diffusers. It supports peaceful sleep. Sandalwood oil. Action. Sandalwood oil is valued for its harmonizing and soothing properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help clear the mind of negative thoughts. Meditation uses. Its deep, woody scent is conducive to contemplation and meditation, and is often used in traditional meditation practices in many cultures. It can be used during visualization meditation to promote a sense of inner peace. Everyday life. It can be used to center space, improving mood and creating an atmosphere of relaxation. Pink grapefruit oil. Actions. Pink grapefruit oil has a fresh, citrusy scent that is stimulating and invigorating. It is effective in combating apathy and low mood. Meditation uses. It can be used in morning meditation to help initiate the day with energy and a positive attitude. It has a stimulating effect, which is conducive to meditations that trigger creativity. Everyday life. Additionally, the oil can be used to complement daily rituals, such as massages or adding to baths, which improves well-being and introduces positive energy. Essential oils can be a wonderful addition to spiritual rituals, adding not only a pleasant scent but also supporting different intentions. Here are some practical tips for how to use them. Set your intentions. Before you begin using essential oils, think about your intentions. What emotions do you want to enhance? What aspects of your life do you want to support? Choose oils that resonate with your intentions. Aromatherapy session. Create a space for meditation or relaxation. Use an essential oil diffuser to fill the room with the scent of essential oils. You can combine different oils to create unique aromas and enhance specific intentions. Oil rituals. Add a few drops of essential oil to the candles you light during rituals. Choose oils that match the theme of the ritual, for example, lavender for relaxation, rosemary for protection, and lemon for cleansing. Oil bath. Prepare a relaxing bath by adding a few drops of essential oil to the water. You can also create a blend with a carrier oil to apply to your skin before bathing. Meditate with oils. Apply a few drops of oil to your wrists or temples before meditating. You can also hold the oil bottle close to you so you can focus on its scent during meditation. Sacramental areas. Consider creating altars or meditation spaces where you place different essential oils in small bottles. Each oil can represent a different intention. Visualization with scent. Combine aromatherapy with visualization. Get still, inhale the scent of the oil, and visualize your intentions and goals. Use oils that enhance this visualization. Cleansing rituals. Use tea tree, sage, or Palo Santo to energetically cleanse the space. You can burn them or use them to scent the space. Create your own blends. Create your own unique blend of essential oils that support your spiritual practices. Use carrier oils like almond or jojoba to make a massage or meditation oil. Reflection after the ritual. After the ritual, take a moment to reflect on how the oils affected your experience. Write your observations in a journal. Lavender oil. Action. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils, known for its calming properties. It has a relaxing effect on the nervous system, making it ideal for reducing stress and anxiety. Use in meditation. It can be used as an addition to meditation rituals to help achieve a state of deep relaxation and support mindfulness meditation. Just a few drops on a pillow, meditation rug, or in a diffuser are enough. Everyday life. It can also be used in aromatherapy at home, added to a bath or used in aroma diffusers. It supports peaceful sleep. Sandalwood oil. Action. Sandalwood oil is valued for its harmonizing and soothing properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help clear the mind of negative thoughts. Meditation uses. Its deep, woody scent is conducive to contemplation and meditation, and is often used in traditional meditation practices in many cultures. It can be used during visualization meditation to promote a sense of inner peace. Everyday life. It can be used to center space, improving mood and creating an atmosphere of relaxation. Pink grapefruit oil. Actions. Pink grapefruit oil has a fresh, citrusy scent that is stimulating and invigorating. It is effective in combating apathy and low mood. Meditation uses. It can be used in morning meditation to help initiate the day with energy and a positive attitude. It has a stimulating effect, which is conducive to meditations that trigger creativity. Everyday life. Additionally, the oil can be used to complement daily rituals, such as massages or adding to baths, which improves well-being and introduces positive energy. Aromatherapy is a form of therapy that uses natural essential oils to improve physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Here are some ways you can use essential oils in aromatherapy to support emotional and spiritual healing. 1. Diffusing essential oils. Diffusers. Use a diffuser to diffuse essential oils around the room. Choose oils that are known for their relaxing properties, such as lavender, bergamot, or ylang-ylang. Aromatherapy cotton ball. You can also place a few drops of essential oil on a cotton ball or tissue and inhale the scent when needed. 2. Massage with essential oils. Oil blend. Dilute essential oil in a carrier oil, such as jojoba, almond, or coconut oil, and use it to massage your body. This will not only help with relaxation, but also connect with your body on an emotional level. Focus areas. Focus on areas of your body that may be tense or emotionally charged. 3. Aromatic baths. Relaxation bath. Add a few drops of essential oil, such as sandalwood, lavender, or rose, or to a warm bath. This is a time to relax and unwind, allowing both your body and mind to relax. 4. Meditation and spiritual practices. Enhancing meditation. Use essential oils such as sage or frankincense during meditation to create an atmosphere and facilitate a deeper connection with yourself. Intentions. Prepare for meditation with intention and use an appropriate oil to enhance your intentions. 5. Creative rituals. Creating space. Use oils to clear the energy in your space, such as by diffusing them in the room or burning incense. Emotional journaling. Record your emotions while using the oils to see changes and progress in your healing. 6. Daily practices. Wearing oils. Use essential oils as a perfume by applying them to your pulse points, e.g. wrists, behind your ears. This allows you to inhale them continuously, which can support your mood throughout the day. Creating personal elixirs. Mix different oils to create a unique blend that best suits your emotional needs. 7. Mindfulness and listening to yourself. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different oils affect your emotional well-being. Experiencing their effects can help you discover which oils are most appropriate for your needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of essential oils. We hope you have discovered their amazing properties and how they can support your spiritual development and everyday life. Remember that essential oils are not just a tool, but also a way to connect with yourself and the world around you. We encourage you to experiment with different scents, create your own blends, and listen to what your body and mind have to say. Let these natural essences be a reminder of the harmony, balance, and inner power that we all carry within us. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more inspiring content related to spiritual development. Or maybe you have your own favorite oils that you would like to talk about. Share your experiences in the comments. See you in the next episode. May your path to inner harmony be full of light and love.